Yeah, that practice was ridiculous.
It wasn't that bad, I'm just really cold.
You gotta be kidding me. How are you cold?
Yeah, seriously, I'm hot.
I guess I just regulate my body temperature differently from you guys then.
Sounds to me like homeostasis.
Dude, look, it's a creek.
Yeah, just look down in the creek. Sure is great we're able to thermally regulate our own body temperature.
Yeah, I know. If not, practice today would have been hard.
Yeah, seriously, I can't imagine what it would be like if I couldn't regulate my own body temperature.
You'd be like that snake down there.
What do you mean?
You see, snakes are ectotherms. They don't produce enough heat to metabolic activity to warm themselves fully, so they have to rely on their environment to warm them.
Oh yeah, and humans are endotherms, and we can generate our own heat with metabolic activity.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Jeez, you guys have been running for a while. You're all red.
Yeah, it's fine. It's just because I'm a bit hot after the run. Once one picks up, though, it'll be no problem because the air will sweep all the sweat off my neck and my arms and stuff. And I'll just take the heat with it.
That's such a simple way of eliminating heat.
Yeah, it's pretty effective. So what were you guys talking about before I got here?
We were talking about the differences between humans and snakes when it comes to thermal regulation.
What about fish and birds? Because it's pretty interesting stuff.
Well, birds and fish have a very interesting way of regulating temperature.
I think I remember learning about that, but I kind of forgot all about it, so.
Yeah, it can be a bit confusing, but it's really not too bad. It's called countercurrent heat exchange, and basically what happens is the body core warms up the blood that flows through the organism's arteries, while the veins take the cold blood back to the body's core. It simply flows through the body, heating up in the core and taking it to the extremities.
That doesn't sound that bad. Do you guys have any plans for the summer?
Yeah, dude. My parents are going up north to visit our family.
We're doing the opposite. We're going south to escape the cold.
So both of you are going to have to acclimate to your new environment. For you, Dirk, that'll mean adjusting to colder weather, and for Eric, that'll mean adjusting to warmer weather.
Yeah, it's pretty interesting how mammals deal with the like extremes of heat, since they can't just switch clothes like we can.
Instead, they enter a stage called torpor, which is how they adjust their physiological state to match their environmental conditions.
Yeah, we see that with bears when they hibernate, since they simply lower their metabolic rate and their temperature lowers too.
And for Eric, since he's going south, he should be exposed to animals that are similar to the bears that are in a state of estivation, or slowing down their metabolic rate and decreasing the activity, which is preserving stability.
So you guys must be really paying attention during class. You guys summed that up pretty well.
Maybe. We still have much to learn before the dreaded final.
Alex, come
How is that my fault?
I told you I was adding a line.
You actually were gonna keep that?
Mr. Duffy would love it.
Okay, then redo.
There's no way you couldn't dance this if you were like...
Alright, I'm done. Are you filming that?